If Todoist is showing a SQLite error, the problem is often a corrupted local site database or cached app files in your browser. The good news is that you can usually fix it without uninstalling anything and without clearing your entire browser history. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix the Todoist SQLite error step by step so you can get back into your tasks as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to force your browser to bypass the save cache and download a fresh copy of Todoist's system files. To do that, open Todoist in your browser and press Ctrl+F5. If that doesn't work, try Ctrl+Shift+R instead. This hard refresh tells your browser to ignore the cached version and load everything fresh from the server. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear up the error if the issue was caused by outdated or broken browser files. If you still see the SQLite error after refreshing, don't worry. The next step is to clear only Todoist's local site data instead of wiping your whole browser. This is a much safer and more targeted fix. While Todoist is open, look at the left side of the URL in your address bar. You should see a tune or lock icon directly next to the website address. Click that icon, then go to Cookies and Site Data. From there, select Manage on-Device Site Data. This opens the local storage and database information that Todoist keeps in your browser. If one of those files becomes corrupted, it can trigger the SQLite error and stop the app from loading properly. Now carefully click Clear Data or delete the listed cookies and site data entries for Todoist. This removes the broken local files while keeping the rest of your browser intact. You are not deleting all your history, bookmarks, or saved passwords here, just the data connected to Todoist. Once that is done, reload the page. After the reload, log back into your Todoist account. In most cases, Todoist will rebuild the missing local data automatically, and the SQLite error should be gone. If it still appears, repeat the site data, clear one more time, and make sure the refresh completed successfully. It is also a good idea to close and reopen the browser after clearing the data, just to make sure everything starts cleanly. If you use Todoist across multiple tabs or devices, sign out and sign back in on the browser where the error happened first. That can help force a fresh session and prevent the corrupted data from coming right back. The key thing to remember is that this error is usually local to the browser, so you do not need to panic or assume your account is broken. A hard refresh, followed by clearing Todoist's on-device site data, solves the issue for many users in just a minute or two. And that's it. You've now fixed the Todoist SQLite error using a safe and targeted method. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments if this solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.